Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Wi-Fi network on your laptop. First, locate the network icon, which often looks like a small Wi-Fi symbol or a globe, in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. Click on this icon to reveal a list of available wireless networks. It's crucial to ensure your laptop's Wi-Fi is turned on. Sometimes there's a physical switch or a function key combination to activate it. This initial step sets the stage for a seamless connection. Once you see the list of networks, carefully select the one you wish to join. Your home network will likely have a familiar name. After clicking on your chosen network, a Connect button will appear. Click it to proceed. If the network is secured, which most are, you will be prompted to enter the network security key, also known as the Wi-Fi password. Type this password accurately, paying close attention to capitalization, and then click Next or OK to establish the connection. After entering the password, your laptop will attempt to connect. You can confirm a successful connection by observing the network icon. It should now show a strong signal and indicate that you are connected. To further verify, open any web browser like Chrome or Firefox and try navigating to a website. If the page loads, you're online. If not, try basic troubleshooting. Restart your laptop or power cycle your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds and then plugging it back in. For optimal performance, consider connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if your router supports it, as these often provide faster speeds and less interference than 2.4 GHz networks. Always prioritize security by using a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly updating your laptop's operating system and drivers also helps maintain a secure and efficient wireless connection. These practices ensure a smooth and safe online experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.